What is going on, guys? We are back with another video. As you can tell from the title, you've all been waiting for this. We are going to be painting the 92 today. We got it all taped up, as you can see. I'm getting ready to put my gloves on, and I'm going to wipe this thing down one more time with some cleaner, make sure I got everything all good and clean. I'm going to come back with my tack cloth or tack rag, wipe it all down, get it dust free. I'm going to get the paint shooken up, stirred real good, get it mixed together, get it in my gun, and we're going to start painting this thing. So I'm going to start on the top, so the top of the roof, get it all painted. I'm going to work down, so I'll probably get like the top painted, come up to the hood, and start in the middle and work this way on both sides, and then I'll hit the doors and the fenders and everything. And so I'm not going to start on the fender and then have to reach over and potentially reach into the paint. So yeah, I'm going to get my other glove on. I'm going to wipe this thing down real quick. I'm going to try and find a good spot to set you guys up so you can I can make a little time-lapse video type deal with it. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, guys, as you've seen from that previous clip, we just got everything all wiped down. I'm going to let it dry for probably 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to grab my paint gun, everything, make sure it's all ready to go. And I'm going to get everything set up. I got my mask over there. I got my tack cloth. Right before I paint, I'm going to wipe everything down again, just to make sure it is clean from like dust settling or anything like that. And then we're going to start the painting process. So I'll set you guys up again so you guys can see a little time-lapse video of me painting. So stay tuned till the end and find out what color this bad boy's going to be.
Ryan Little.
Alrighty guys, I am back here. It's been probably 2.5 hours. The truck's in paint. I put probably 3 coats on it. I stopped for probably 3 hours because I wanted it to harden up a little bit. Metallic, or this candy apple red metallic, I've never sprayed anything like this before. So, I mean, I was kind of getting a little frustrated, and then I had to remember that it's not like a normal paint. The metallics will sometimes stick together. But it is candy apple red. I don't know how well you guys can see it. If you guys can see, yeah, you can kind of see the flake in there. I'm going to put one more coat on it probably, because you can still kind of see some of the repair rings. There's one right here you can kind of see, probably not on, oh yeah, that little light area right here where my finger is. You can kind of see it, so I'm going to go back and put one coat, probably one more thick coat on it. I just wiped everything down. I'm going to wait a little bit longer to wipe everything down again. Here's what the top looks like. Oh, maybe. There's the top. So I mean, it's a tough paint to spray, but I mean, I'm getting it. I had to adjust my nozzle a little bit. The metallic flake clogged up my paint gun tip, so I had to take it apart, clean it, get it all reassembled and everything. So that's why I didn't have this thing done right away. It looks pretty good. I don't know how well you guys can see this up here, if you can see it. Just sparkle. And that's just the paint. It'll shine a lot more once I go and get the clear coat put on this. We're going with the gloss clear coat, so I mean, it's going to shine a lot more. But I'm going to try and get this finished up. If hopefully one coat will cover everything. One more, I might mix up a little bit more just to kind of hit the areas I need to, if I need to hit them. I'll probably hit clear coat tomorrow. I'll probably just upload this video and then have a separate video on clear coat, and then hopefully I got my big light set up. I might take it around the truck just to make sure everything looks good, because it's probably 7:30 now, and we don't have any sunlight, so I can't back it out and look. So I'm just going to basically use that as my sunlight and check the truck for spots that need to be hit again, if there's any. I'm not too worried about the top or the roof, and then we're going to have tow mirrors, and then I'll probably end up buying some rain deflectors that go on here just to kind of give it a black look. The grill is going to be gloss black. The bow tie I'm probably going to paint in this candy apple as well, just to make it look different. And then everything up here is going to have a fresh coat of paint. And then that should do it for this. It'll be backed up. Oh, we'll do the rhino line from where my finger is down all the way from that crease there. So about where this stuff is here, all the way along the bottom, and have it wrap around both sides, and then same way with the truck bed. So once the truck bed's sitting here, it'll continue all the way around the dually and everything. I don't know if we're gonna do that on the bottom of the tailgate. Like, I don't know how well you guys can see this, but this little crease here on the bottom of the tailgate, I don't know if we're gonna rhino line that or just what we're gonna do with it. But yeah, I'm gonna wipe this thing off one more time, and then I'll bring you guys back once I get it all painted. What's up, guys? In the booth, painting the 92. Second in action. Got some nice pearly flake going on. Gonna do Herculiner down at the bottom like we've been doing on our trucks. Good rust preventative. That, and it just looks really good and rugged. But this is gonna be a farm truck, so pretty good looking paint for a farm truck, if I do say so myself. But let you guys in behind the scenes here a little bit. That's it, folks. Yep. That's the last coat. Good to go. Let it dry. And then clear coat.
Clear coat, which is fine because I don't think we're gonna have sun for a couple days. So,
Nope.
man, wait to get this shine out in the sun. It's gonna be awesome. Deuces.